Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of October 25th, 2024. My name is Justin, I'm a photographer and product adder.
And I'm Clint, I'm kit manager.
This is a series where we go through the newsletter that gets released on Friday, go out into our studio and show you that fabric in person. So without further ado, let's get started.
Let's start off talking about our Friday bundle, the Peppermint Stick Friday Bundle. This bundle has patterns of peppermint sticks, swirls, stripes, dots, and gingham in the classic colors of red and white. So if that sounds good to you, make sure to make your projects meant to be with Peppermint Stick Friday Bundle.
Next, we have a group called Sundance from Timeless Treasures. This is a very vibrant collection featuring the full collection yardage, 24-inch panels, and the grand central quilt kits. This group features patterns such as sunflowers, florals, leaves, and swirls, and a very vibrant rainbow color palette. So make sure to bring your quilts to life with Sundance.
Now let's talk about Daisy Lane from Moda. For this one, we've got the full collection of yardage, patterns, fat quarter bundles, layer cakes, charm packs, mini charm packs, jelly rolls, and the Rayon sampler kits. This collection features patterns of florals, petals, berries, clouds, rosebuds, and pebbles in colors like black, red, blue, green, yellow, orange, and tan. So if you like, come and take a stroll down Daisy Lane.
All right, next we have a very cute collection called Bliss from Studio E. This features the full collection yardage, 24-inch panels, and the garden dance quilt kits. We have patterns of caterpillars, butterflies, ladybugs, snails, paisley, stripes, leaves, and a quote-unquote crazy quilt print in colors of blue, green, red, and some pinks, oranges, and browns. So make sure to make your projects buzz with Bliss.
Next up is Blue Ridge Batiks from Moda. For this one, you've got the full collection yardage, fat quarter bundles, layer cakes, charm packs, as well as the Carolina Shag Quilt Kit and the Autumn Leaves Quilt Kits. This collection features patterns of florals, leaves, twigs, dewdrops, paisleys, marble and stone textures in colors like sand, rust, earth, frost, and mist. Come capture the beauty of the misty morning with Blue Ridge Batiks.
As always, we have a quilt kit on sale. We have the Snow Tires Quilt Kit using chroma batiks from Moda fabrics. The original price in this is $194.96. We have it on sale for $109.96. Be sure to roll in a savings with the Snow Tires Quilt Kit.
All right, so something a little bit different now. We want to talk about our VIP event coming up on Wednesday, December 11th. This VIP event is going to run from 3 to 6 p.m. Tickets are $25 each, and what you'll get at the VIP event, you get to shop in store. There will be food, as well as visits from various vendors and reps. We've got swag bags, 15% off all orders placed during the event, and a raffle. So why don't you come on down and meet the Fort Worth Fabric Studio team.
Next, we have something we definitely do not want you guys to miss. This is the Rayon Batik scarf kits from Banyan Batiks. These are these beautiful scarves that you can make very easy. The fabric is 100% rayon, and they have options from 10 different colors, such as pink punch, denim, orange, seafoam, olive green, dark green, lilac, violet, smoke, and charcoal. So make sure to wrap yourself in luxury with our Rayon Batik scarf kits.
All right, another one we do not want you to miss out on is Full Moon from Dear Stella. This collection is digitally printed, and for that we've got the full collection yardage, as well as fat quarter bundles, 10-inch squares, and the roundabout quilt kits. This collection features colors of blue, orange, peach, black, and white, and patterns like desert landscapes, cacti, desert blooms, moons, eucalyptus, horses, wolves, rainbows, sun rays, and southwest symbols. So why don't you explore the beauty of the desert with Full Moon.
Second to last thing we have to talk about is the October bargains. This is a page on our website where we include a bunch of sale items. This could be items such as remnants, kits, notions, and who knows what else. So make sure to check daily because we update daily.
All right, so now let's talk about the comment of the week. Each week we pull a comment from last week's episode. This week it was so hard to pick just one comment because there were so many awesome comments congratulating Mason on his marriage. So we just included a bunch of those and want to mirror that and say congratulations, Mason. And we will make sure to show him all of these comments as soon as he's back.
Thank you guys so much for watching this episode. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to ring that bell so you get notified when we upload. Also be sure to leave a comment. You might be featured for comment of the week, and make sure to follow us on social media. Links will be down in the description below. And with that being said, we will see you guys next week for another episode. Bye.